What's up, YouTube? Just checking the mail, and I got an unboxing. It is from 5111 Berwyn Road, College Park, Maryland. Shipped to Tallahassee, Florida. Blah 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 blah. And we're gonna see what we got here. It's from Knife Center, and I'm going to unbox it with my K-Bar Warthog. Let's do this. Open up. Open. Open. Oh, yes. I have done it. I have officially opened everything. My God. And let's see what's in the package, shall we? First off, what is that? Cold steel. High performance knives. Tonto, extra large. That's what she said. And that's the back. Caution. Extremely sharp. Yeah, whatever. Anyway. Oh, what's this? What's this we have here? Victorinox Swiss Army. Makers of the original Swiss Army knife. And then last but not least. Oh, it's a cute little flashlight. I thought it would be bigger. That's what she said again. High performance flashlight. Fenix rock. I have the Fenix PD30. So does Victorinox. I have the original Swiss Army knife. Let's see, how much did I spend? $159. Awesome. Alright, let's take a look at this. Alright, we have the Victorinox. What is it? What could it be? It's in this case. Pouch made in Mexico. It's a multi-tool. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. This thing's heavy. It's got some weight to it. It feels robust. Yes, indeed. That is a sweet looking blade. I mean, multi-tool, excuse me. Awesome. It's the Victorinox Swiss Army Swisstool X. The X, it's the same thing as the Swisstool, it just has the scissors. And then we have this thing. And I'll quickly do it. Quickly. Oh my God. I don't care what you say, this thing is like, wow. God dang. It's a pocket sword. This thing is ginormous. is huge. Alright. If you want to see an unboxing review or something, let me know. Peace!